What's going on, guys? It's your boy Andy Arts, and today we're gonna draw hair highlights. This is one of my favorite things to do, especially when drawing girls. I think it's I don't know why it's so fun. I just like to see the little lights on the hair on girls. It always looks cool on anime, right? So we got our Sailor Moon fan art here that I've been working on, and right, so we have to choose a color. So you see her hair is blonde, so we have to choose kind of like a really light yellow color, not exactly white, but like really light yellow blonde, right, to express that light on the hair. And we're gonna go to our color picker here, and right, so I pretty much got my color. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna start drawing circles on the hair, not on the dark areas. Make sure you're not getting the dark areas of the hair, just more like the lighter ones where the base color is at. So you're gonna draw these circles, right? These circles all on the hair. And to be specific, it has to be like almost at the top part of the hair that bends. That's where the light is shown the most, right? As you can see, I'm drawing these light circles right on the tip, almost like the curve of the hair, where you really see that light being expressed on the hair. And also on the top of the hair where it's curving, right? And on her meatballs, if you guys ever watched Sailor Moon, meatball head they call her. So on the round, on these round, bunched up hair. So again, these circles. And I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do with these circles in a moment, because it's not going to stay like that. We're also going to go ahead and draw it on the long, but what do you call it? I don't know what this is called. The long strands cascading hair that she has from her meatball hair. Oh man. So yeah, so we're drawing these circles in the parts where believe the light is going to shine the most. Again, it's usually the really curved areas. Yeah, so just try avoiding the dark side of the hair, the shadow of the hair, right? Try avoiding that. All right, so I'm just zooming back, trying to take a look, see other parts where I can add more. And then you're gonna take the eraser, most likely a round eraser. And I'm using Clip Studio. If you're on Photoshop, you can also use a round eraser, or whatever shape eraser. I like to use a round one just to shape out the highlights. So we made the highlights round, right? They're round. So I'm just picking some stuff here, guys. So give me just a second. Trying to decrease the size here. I'm actually changing the colors. I think it was a little too yellow. I'm trying to make it a little lighter, more whiter, you could say. Alright, so increasing this. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I am reducing the circle into like this Honda logo, right? It's just kind of like this H logo, you could say. This like, yeah, so you're gonna go from the top of the circles, and really you want to make the light curve. That's what we're trying to do. We want to make that light curve. You guys can see the shape that I'm creating here. So again, I created these circles, these like ovals, and then now I'm erasing the top part of it with a round eraser. There you go. See that? See that? Using a round eraser, I'm giving it that shape that the shape that the light will create. And I'm doing it on the other side of the hair here, and I'm shrinking it to make sure I get that size. You can always go back and fix it, of course. All right, so we did the cascading hair. Now we're gonna go to her bangs, right? We're gonna go to her bangs and fix those. So we're gonna decrease the size of that. We're gonna erase the top and bottom part of the ovals and create that shape, that gleaming shape of the light. Right, it is looking pretty cool. I loved how this looks. I love how this looks on anime. I love how this looks on all types of on just yes, usually on anime and just on female hair. Just it's a really beautiful way to express light. All right, so we're doing the back, creating those shapes, shrinking it. And make sure you're going with the hair, like with the how do you say, with the grain, like in the direction of the hair strands rather than against it, right? That's the kind of look we're going for. So in the direction that the hair is going, you want to also create that form of light. All right, so it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. All right, so I hope you guys like this tutorial. You know, this is one of my favorite things to do when painting. Well, when painting hair specifically. So hope you guys like it, and make sure to like the video, comment below, tell me what you think, and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for future notifications. It's your boy Andy Arts, and I'm gonna keep working on my fan art. See you guys later.